YouTube channel. It's your boy Leafy. Today we're gonna be making anime sword. I don't know. I just thought about this top of my head. So just add the reference. Okay. Now just put this thing to 90. Alright, we're ready to get started. Alright. Now you can do this anyway. I try to make this easy for you guys. So yeah. Alright, so you could just press tab that just to make it easier for you guys. Just take the vertices. Oh man. Now you can just trace the sword. It's very helpful in my case. We'll just make this for free. I'll probably give this away to one of you guys later. So yeah. Now, if you do want the reference image, just join my Discord, link in the description. I'll be doing giveaways sometimes. I'm gonna do a developer contest. I don't know, probably make a sword something. Winner gets, I don't know, probably they probably get like 1K Robux. Yeah. I might be thinking about doing some sound effects tutorials, help some people out. I messed up. Okay. Fuck. Right now, almost done, guys. Now you can use the sword for anything. Instead of giving away, I might put the bio in the description. I don't know yet. Still thinking about it. Alright, now that you're done tracing, okay, so press A, then F, then E to extrude. Now, this is how it would look for every block, right? Now you could do, now we tab, set origin to geometry first. Okay, now you can press tab, A, control B, here just give it like a more smoother something. And I could do shade smooth. You can go down to here, go to normals, I think. Yeah, normals, auto smooth. Just play around with it. Yeah, I think this is good for me. Wait, I need more. No, a little bit less. Yeah, this will be good for something for me. Now you press S and X. Now make it more slimmer. Drag it, there we go. Okay, and that's the sword. Now we're gonna be making the handle. So go back to here. Add cube. Okay. Go back over here. S to scale. Drag it down. R to rotate. Scale on the x-axis. No. Y-axis. Yeah. Scale it all the way down. That's good. Okay, now I'm gonna drag it right here. Now press tab. And then select the top two. Okay, now zoom in. Press E. S. E. S. E. S. That'll give it like more curvy stuff. Take this for the C. Put it more over here. Now grab these two. E to extrude. Move it to your liking. You can scale that a little. E, scale, E, scale. Just keep on going till you make it round. And that'll be the handle. Now tab A, Control B. Tab. You can see detailed the sword. Now it's just time to texture. So you can texture multiple ways. You could color it right here. You could do UV editing, shading. I think I'll do UV editing for today. Editing. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. I'm dumb. But yeah. Just go over here. Open files. Now, I'll be putting this in the Discord as well. Join it to get the thing. Alright, let me look for it. Where's that? Alright. Okay. Now press tab A U. Now check from bounds. We'll do that. Project from view. We'll do that. I'll just do project from view. A. Scale it. Now let me go back to the thing. What color is this thing? I forgot. Okay, let's control C. Okay, it's a light blue. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. About here. Over here would be good for now. I will be fixing the texture. Okay, tab. Okay, now go to here. Go here. Press. Oh, wait, wrong one. Go here. I'm done. Press here. T. Go here. And then color palette. Now we'll go back to layout. I'll go back to layout. Now you can go over here. The color, it looks a bit weird. I'll be fixing that later. I'm gonna fix it right now. Be editing. Move this over here so I can get the so I can fix it. Okay, here. Now I am working on a laptop right now, so my thing is gonna be lagging. Let's grab this. Just try to get it the same color. Let's see about yeah, about here. Next, press tab. Grab this. It's take a while. I'm lagging. My laptop is lagging right now, so yeah, tab A U project from view A scale G. Let's say right about here. Okay, tab open view. Okay, now press T here. It's taking very long. Very sorry. Here. Not the exact color. Let me try to get it more darker. Yeah, perfect. Now, the reason I haven't been uploading recently is because I have school, busy with school, taking very long. Okay, let's texture this now. Now, you don't want to take very long. Just go here, you fix it. And then press tab A, U, project from view, A, scale, grab, tab, and then over here do the same thing. Oh, I messed up. Damn, this video is very long. Now remember, this is gonna be high poly or mid poly. I don't really know. Very tired. Tab A U project from view. Tab A scale to this one. Right there. Tab. Okay, now for the sword. Where's the sword? Cube one. Okay. Now for the handle. Now for the handle. This could be low poly. I don't know yet. I'm deciding on that. T. I could keep it black, but it would match the sword. So tab. I'm done. Tab. Okay. A U projection view. A. Now this will be like same color. Probably over here. And then let's check. A little bit darker. mean brighter. Let's try to move this around. No, wrong one. Let's tab, grab. Let's scale this a bit more. Grab. Let's see. The same color as that. Tab. I could keep it black. I don't know if I want to keep it black. Yeah, let's just keep it black. It's not the same, but like, I think I could make the sword the same color. Let me check. Wrong one. Cube, tab, grab. Nah. Alright guys, now it's finished product. Oh, finished product. There we go. Bye guys, peace. See you in the next one.